Welcome to the Best Available Control Technology, or BACT video series. This third video will continue to review the BACT determination tool, including looking at available data, searching and filtering, and interpreting graphs. Let's start by looking at the data available in the tool. Santa Barbara has multiple determinations for boilers. This determination contains limits for two pollutants, CO and NOx. Hover over the blue circle to find additional information about this determination, as well as links to the source documents. You can find information about the industry and facility, the emitting unit type, the primary fuel, the limit, and the controls used to meet that limit. The drop-down filters at the top of the tool were developed by CARB to assist with categorizing and searching data. The main lists in development include unit type, process, and control technology. The Technology Clearinghouse will rely on these lists to help group and categorize data at a high level. These lists are a work in progress and will be enhanced over time. The unit type list includes two levels, a type and a detail. You can view the full unit list by following the link. The unit list includes keywords and a mapping to US EPA unit codes. You can provide feedback on these lists by filling out the form. The process list is used to define the type of activity occurring at the source, especially when there is not one distinct emitting unit. You can view the full process list by following the link. Processes generally apply to sources that have multiple emitting units that are not well defined, or may vary from location to location. Control technology represents another useful list. A link to the complete CARB control list, along with key terms and US EPA code matches, is available. Controls are displayed in the limits table and can be searched in the search box in any part of the tool. For example, searching low NOx will pull up any control technology with low NOx or ultra low NOx burners. Air district engineers use many factors to determine a given limit. For example, equipment size, fuel type, and district attainment status may influence limit determinations. It is difficult to display all factors in a single graph. These graphs allow you to narrow down similar information, but you may have to dig deeper to identify the reason for differences. When you open the BACT limit graph, the data are pre-filtered for turbines. You can add or remove pollutants from the graph using the pollutant drop-down. Data for each district is displayed separately. There may be multiple data points for a given district, showing multiple determinations for that equipment category. You can hover over the data point to obtain more information for each determination, as well as the source material. One important caveat when comparing limits is the unit. Units are displayed at the top of the graph. If a given pollutant is reported in multiple units, the data will be segregated by unit, indicating these values cannot be compared. CARB and air districts are working to improve unit consistency in future versions of the tool. This concludes our BACT video series. Thanks for watching!